soft expansion in the unseen, a quiet bloom, a gentle hum. Life's a song that's just